Hello students, I'm here to do a short video just to explain one of our activities that we've been working on in class. If you have been gone for a while because of COVID, we've done many things in the classroom while you have been gone, but the assignments are in Google Classroom and you are responsible to do the activities. Even though you're not here, you can go into Google Classroom and do them. So what I want to do right now is we're going to go into Google Classroom and I'm going to just kind of start at the beginning. Let's say I'll go into a first hour class. You'll go into classwork. You'll scroll down. Now, we were in color when we had to go virtual, and if you click View More, you can see the remaining assignments that we were working on. Now, we did an Impressionist painting. So your previous activity was to watch the Impressionism and Post-Impression lecture, to view the lecture slides, and then to fill out the study guide with 7 images that you had to write 5 facts about. Well, from that, we have the Impressionist painting sketch. And I'll tell you what, let me just move this over in the screen so you can see it better. I forgot that everything has to be inside of this frame for you to be able to view what I'm viewing. So just quickly, you go into Google Classroom, you click on Classwork. You're going to scroll down to color, and then you will click Impressionist painting sketch, and then I have Impressionist painting. Now I had to break this assignment up into 2 grades. I'm giving you 10 points for your sketch and 15 points for the actual painting. So the total activity is worth 25 points. The assignment is in both of these, the same assignment. And again, the icon with the little clipboard, that means it's an assignment. So you want to make sure that you view your assignments. Once you go inside of it, you can just click on the actual assignment. And so the objective, students will learn about the Impressionist and Post-Impressionist periods in the modern art period at the tail end of the 1800s. Students will also explore different artists from these time periods and learn about their paintings. Students will study one of their paintings, creating a replica in an effort to learn how these artists set up their compositions and focus on the brush strokes that they used in their effort to capture light's effect on the canvas. Okay? Students will also learn about the subject matter that was important to paint during this time period as well. So you will need your sketchbooks, pencil, eraser to sketch out the image that you want to recreate. You can pick one of the images from the PowerPoint that you've just viewed, or you can go online and Google Impressionist artwork and find an image that you like. In the image in this assignment, we see Pierre-Auguste Renoir's Dancer at Le Moulin de la Galette, and this is a painting of an outdoor dance hall. Now, some of the Impressionist artists you can look at are Edward Manet, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, Edgar Degas, Claude Monet, Mary Cassatt, George Seurat. You can also pick from a post-impressionist painter like Paul Cézanne, Paul Gauguin, Vincent van Gogh, or maybe Henri Rousseau, or again, like I said, another impressionist artist. So here is the actual work by Renoir, and then this is a student's version. Okay, this was one of my students who created a study of that painting, and that's the painting that I have in the back of the classroom, that you see here. Okay, that painting is actually on watercolor paper, so you can use watercolor paper to paint on, or you can go to Walmart and get a canvas panel. It's entirely up to you. Another painting that is an example I have in the back of the classroom is a painting of one of Vincent van Gogh's images. This is his, let me set the laptop down. This is called Almond Blossoms, and this was a painting that he created when he was in an insane asylum and he looked out his window. So one of my students from the past, that's their replica of his painting. It turned out very, very nicely. And the other students who have been coming face to face have done a wonderful job creating their paintings. They are on display in the high school on the bulletin board outside of the art room if you want to come up here and look at them. So again, you'll turn in the sketch for 15 points here, and then you'll turn in the actual painting. Oh, I'm sorry, the sketch is 10 points. The painting will be an additional 15 points. And again, this is this exact same assignment, okay? So that's where you will upload those images. You'll have to take a picture of them and then upload the image into Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, send Miss Church an email. I'll be happy to visit with you on the phone. I can give you my phone number. You can call me. If you don't have art supplies at home, let me know and I'll see if I can help facilitate getting you some supplies so you can do this activity. Thank you.